how to remove GCash transaction history. So if you want to remove GCash transaction history, then what you need to do is first open up your GCash application and access your GCash account. So open up the GCash app on your mobile device and enter your MPIN to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, second step is navigating the transaction history. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and select the transaction history from the menu to view your complete transaction log. And the third step is reviewing your transaction history. Browse through your transactions history to identify any entries you wish to delete. Note that GCash does not currently allow you to delete any of the transaction history from the user end for security and regulatory purposes. But there are some alternatives to deleting the transaction history. First step is you need to go with privacy settings adjustment. So adjust your app's privacy settings to limit who can view your transaction history if such features are available. But if that feature is not available, then you can contact the GCash support. So for concerns about sensitive transactions or data privacy, contact GCash support directly through the app or their official customer service channels. And the third step is regular monitoring and maintenance. Regularly monitor your transaction history to keep track of your finances and spot any unauthorized transactions immediately. Use the filter and search features in the app to manage and review entries without scrolling through the entire history. So unfortunately, you don't have an option to delete your transaction history on GCash, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.